JJ the CPA here. Hey, thanks for tuning in for another quick video. Listen, I don't make a dime off of this. You can't find any contact info here. I don't ask for your information. I don't need it. I don't have a funnel. There's not a scam. What's funny is when I say, hey, check out my website, jjthecpa.help. It's like, yeah. And then everybody spends, 78 hours looking for stuff. So what I put together here, JJ the CPA Help, is I kind of just was putting together as a resource for small business owners and individuals, things related to money and tax, right? And so anyways, I'm going to just show you around the website, and partly I don't get a dime out of it. I don't get paid for every visit in any way, shape, or form. It is separate from my business in the sense that I do have a different business website. And then I did buy COVID-19 tax help, but it leads to this website, JJ the CPA Help. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself small here. And who's that guy? That is the fictional character of JJ the CPA. So I've got some, here I've got the new tax credits. So I have a worksheet that you can pull up to calculate the tax credits, because there's 3 different types of tax credits. And so I came up with this formula and all these instructions. Look at all this different instructions on how to break it down. I've got all 3 different credits where you can then label it. It looks overwhelming, but I actually made it really, really easy for you. Tax calculation video. So I actually, if you go to this video here, I'm actually going to walk you through it. And then I got a tax credit memo, okay, talking about all the tax credits, okay, and how it works. So I wrote that for you. And I even got examples on how the credits work, how everything's broken down, and some examples, okay, where you can just come and spend some time looking at some examples. Then I've also got the CARES Act. So info here, I got the PPP app, and I'll just show you right quick. You don't click on this and then give me an email address. You just get it. Got a series. You're right. I missed the S. I missed it. Forgivable loans, about the new credit, the video series on the CARES Act, talking about the stimulus checks. I talk about the loans, okay? CARE Act loan versus the SBA loan. And I've got videos right on here. On the tax credits we just looked at, the 1040 CARES Act. So this talks about all the different things that are impacting individuals. Okay, I did one in general, and then on unemployment, and then retirement. Then I've got resources here that I've just been adding. Okay, resources are, how do you get the tax credits? How do you go about any kind of crisis planning, and how to plan in a personal crisis? I put together this survival guide here of kind of what to do. Kind of what are your steps, what's your mindset, what are you thinking through, how are you going to make it, right? Look at, put all this together, questions to ask, and then I go in and I have a video to go along with this, but to show you basically how to predict your cash position in 3 weeks. Okay, and then down here I just have a bunch of videos related to personal tax and finances, business tax and credits, and then just business finances, okay? So the decisions you make in the next 3 weeks could define the next 3 years. Assess, hold, wait, and see, okay? And it's kind of cool. Look at all this right here. That's a neat design. All right, we got tax info. So this is just links, just stuff to the IRS. I did a press release, and that way I gave a little information. If somebody sees this and they want a little info, they can put in their paper. Then I got the survival guide. So in the survival guide, that's where I walk you through, okay?
JJ the CPA here.
What's up, JJ? All right, and then I've got a podcast. I don't make any money off of a podcast, and it doesn't cost you anything, but I do have some, episodes in there, and then this is a link to get to the SBA. Okay, and then we're almost done. Coronavirus. That's just info about coronavirus. Okay. Excuse me. I'm not boring you. I'm just tired. And then the goal is if I can find kind of an easy way to do it, but get a link to the different states on the unemployment. And there you have it. Okay. COVID-19 tax help. It's free COVID-19 tax help powered by JJ the CPA. That might be the only thing I'm getting out of it, is that I've got my name up there, and my name in lights. So if you need help, and if you can find them, you too may hire the JJ team. Is not what this website's about. Okay, it's not about me. It's not about you hiring me. So spread the word, tell your friends about it, because I am adding stuff to this all the time. As I do stuff for my clients, I add this, so the worksheets and things to that effect. So, all right, well, hey, thanks for going on a tour with me. I really appreciate it. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got a number of things that I'm covering related to our crisis, trying to make sure that I can do things that will help people. But I just want to say thank you for watching this video. And if you've made it all the way to here, you're getting ready to reach into the Cracker Jacks box, and you're getting ready to pull out a little prize, because guess what my next video is? You guessed it. Look at this. All right. Look at this. We're going to be going through the tax law. All right. Hey, I really am so sincerely thankful for you tuning in. I hope that it's helped. Hopefully that it helps. And don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. All right, let's be safe out there. Appreciate y'all.